Moshe, do you have any vows that you have prepared for Phela? Okay, sure. Okay.
I promise to love you in this life and in the next. You love you. I just need to just go through this guy. But I did just 5 minutes.
Shoes, guys.
I never managed to really think to be able anyone that could love me the way that you love me. Anyone. And for this to happen, it's like it even overwhelmed me 2 days ago. It overwhelmed me 2 days ago that it actually really didn't married. And I think how much I love you, I think you will never understand, you'll never fathom, because, and I said to you, the kind of love I have for you is a godly love, where it's unchanged, it's unwavered, you know, and I'm here, you know, and I'm here getting married to you because I think, you know, and it's like, look at each other, it's like, and it's just overwhelming. Baby, I love you. I really love you. I love you today. I love you tomorrow. And we're still going to go through things. And I'll still love you then. Thank you.
Yabantu. Yawuthanda ukungena imithatho yabantu. Stay out of imithatho yabantu. Uba ani understand zanixelela nge-Afrikaans jayetni ver ngena the news of Mensa, especially married Mensa. You understand? Married Mensa, married